Welcome to my channel.
Infinix Zero Ultra 5G with 200 megapixel camera, 180W fast charging support launched. Price, specifications. Infinix Zero Ultra 5G has launched today for the global markets. In a Twitter announcement, the company teased some of the major features of the smartphone, which include the 180W Thunder Charge, a 120Hz waterfall display and a 200 megapixel main camera sensor. Under the hood, the handset comes packed with a MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC, along with the Infinix Zero Ultra 5G launch. The company has also announced a space-themed limited edition XBOY Explorer NFT collection, which will be available via lottery prize draw. Infinix Zero Ultra 5G, price and availability. Infinix has launched a single variant of the smartphone featuring 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, with a 5GB expandable IM. The Infinix Zero Ultra 5G will be available in two color variants, Coslight Silver and Genesis Noir. According to the smartphone company, the 256GB storage variant will come at a price of $520, nearly Rs. $42,400. However, the prices and availability of the Infinix Zero Ultra 5G will vary from region to region, claims the company. The detailed information doesn't mention any date or confirmation for the arrival of the smartphone in Indian markets. Infinix Zero Ultra 5G, specifications. The Infinix Zero Ultra 5G runs Android 12-based XOS 12. The handset packs a MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC. The smartphone has a 6.8-inch 3D curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also has a fingerprint sensor. Its 4500 mAh battery is claimed to get fully charged with 12 minutes. The Infinix Zero Ultra 5G comes with dual mode, standard mode and furious mode, for flash charge. The smartphone features connectivity support for GPS, Bluetooth, USB-C Type port, 5G as well as Wi-Fi 6, for photos and videos. The smartphone gets a triple camera setup headlined by a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens and 2 megapixel lens. On the front, the Infinix Zero Ultra 5G sports a 32 megapixel selfie camera.